We are going to hard boil 4 eggs. Then we will cut them in half with the side of fork and then mash them. Mash the eggs into smaller pieces. Once they are completely mashed, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now add salt to it. I added about a couple of pinches of salt. And then lots and lots of black pepper, because I love lots of black pepper. But it's up to you. I'm gonna give it a nice mix. About a tablespoon of milk or heavy cream, whatever you have handy. Add it in and mix it nicely. Now I will toast some bread for the sandwiches. Now I will add the egg salad on the slice of bread. Spread it evenly. Now place the other slice of bread on top. We're gonna make all the sandwiches the same way. Sandwiches are ready. I'm gonna cut them in half. Our quick, simple and easy egg salad sandwiches are ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. You have a good and blessed day. Bye bye. Take care.